vlog. For today's video is tutorial about the how to back up SD card for the new panel. This panel have a external SD card, this one slot. Before, the old panel only for the MCC card. If you are doing backup using only MCC card. Okay guys, just follow my procedure and we can do it now. This one is in Gent. You go first, etc. This open free block, then you press next, then enter, then control, etc. Then you go card, then press log because the card is off condition, but now this one is already on because I already on before. Okay, you can press this one, then they will show on status. Okay guys, then you close again the free block first, etc. This free block, and you press previews, then enter, close. Then now you go back to setup, then etc. protect. Now they're showing two card for backup, NVMe card and SD card. So you press SD card, then disable, then enter. Then if you back up, same procedure for how to you back up to NV card. So press back up. For example, I will back up the card 1. So I press 0, then press SD card, then enter. So controller card back up, then back up card 1, SD card, then enter. So they're showing like this card. This writing Vigilone card 1 and this card 0. It's different how to back up in being card. This one you need takes time to wait guys. Okay guys, now showing controller backup. See? And then they're showing checksum written to SD card. It means already backup. So this is the point that your card 0 and card 1 is already backup. Then after that one, so you need to return back the SD card to enable condition. So you press protect, then SD card, then you press enable. So the card, the SD card is back to normal. Okay. Okay guys, that's all. How to back up the card the card in the SD card. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.